Welcome to this property brought to you by the experts at Coldwell Banker Holman Premier Realty in Klamath Falls, Oregon. For more information, be sure to visit coldwellbankerhbr.com or call 541-884-1343. This Valley View neighborhood was rebuilt in 2018 by Atone General Contracting. Home is almost completely newly rebuilt, and the Klamath County Tax Assessor shows is a built in 2018. This is a 3-bedroom 1.5 bath. Solid hardwood floors with tiled bathroom floors. Solid wood cabinets, French doors to the rear deck from the kitchen and from the primary bedroom, kitchen island, updated blinds throughout, large wood deck, storage shed and timed front and rear sprinklers. Highly efficient heating and air conditioning. The yard is 0.25 acre and has an easy access for RV on the side of the home, which should allow for vehicle access to the rear of the home. Front and rear landscaping with mature lawn make this home ready for a new owner.